Chapter 5, Pictorial Representation. Interpretation of pictographs. We have learned that a pictograph represents information. In addition to just representing information, a pictograph helps us understand information by allowing us to make comparisons and calculations. This pictograph tells us about the types of fruits. Neki Ram is a fruit vendor. He has sold some fruits. Read the table that follows. Fruits sold by Neki Ram: mangoes, apples, pears, oranges, guavas. One picture represents 10 boxes of fruits. A pictograph not only just represents information, but also tells more than that. It helps us compare various sets of information and understand the facts better. From the above pictograph, we find that Neki Ram has sold 5 into 10 is equal to 50 boxes of mangoes. He has sold 7 into 10 is equal to 70 boxes of apples. He has sold 5 into 10 is equal to 50 boxes of pears. He has sold 6 into 10 is equal to 60 boxes of oranges. He has sold 4 into 10 is equal to 40 boxes of guavas. In addition to the above, we can compare the information and draw some conclusions by reading a pictograph. For example, from the above pictograph, we can conclude that Neki Ram has sold an equal number of boxes of mangoes and pears. He has sold the least number of boxes of guavas. The fruit which was sold in maximum quantity by Neki Ram was apple. 10 more boxes of oranges than of mangoes were sold out by Neki Ram. Neki Ram sold 3 boxes less of guavas than those of apples. Bar graphs. Bar graph is another way to represent information. Let's represent the data given in the following table to make a bar graph to show the production of a toy manufacturing company called Little Kids. January 400, February 500, March 700, April 300, May 900, June 500. Horizontal scale. One column represents 1 month. Vertical scale. One rectangle represents 100 toys. In a bar graph, there must be a title explaining the information given in the graph. Horizontal and vertical scales. Labels explaining the scales. Just like a pictograph, a bar graph helps us to understand and compare the information. After looking at the bar graph, we can see that Little Kids produced maximum number of toys in May. It produced least number of toys in April. The difference in production of April and May is 600. The production of toys in the months of February and June was the same.